How to draw Cakey Cat from Gabby's Dollhouse, step by step. Hey, what is going on everybody? So for the first step of today's drawing, we're going to begin by drawing a circle on the left hand side of the page. This will be the left eye of Cakey Cat. On the inside of the circle we'll draw two shapes, one smaller circle for the pupil, along with a small oval-like shape that is curved beneath. Now a little over to the right, we're going to begin to draw the nose by using a sideways oval-like shape. It is a sideways oval because it is a sprinkle. Connected to this oval-like shape, we're going to make two J-like shapes, each facing the opposite direction to make the mouth. All done? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now to the right of the nose, we're going to draw the second eye by using a curved line. It will be curved because it's going to appear as if Cakey Cat is winking. Let's take a look back at what we have done so far. We have two eyes drawn, the nose as well as the mouth. Now we're going to make a big outline underneath of everything that we just made by using a big C-like shape. Well done! So far this is coming along very well. Now above the nose as well as the eyes, we're going to begin to draw three oval-like shapes. These will be more sprinkles. Now we're mostly done with the bottom portion of the head, but we still have to draw the top of the head, including two ears. This part might be a little bit tricky, so be sure to pause the video as you need to. If you're a big fan of Gabby's Dollhouse and you want to learn how to draw more characters like Gabby Girl or even Pillow Cat or even Mercat, then I highly recommend you consider checking out our Gabby Dollhouse drawing tutorial playlist. All done? If so, let's continue. Right below the head on the left hand side, we're going to begin to draw the first arm by using a simple C-like shape that will be connected to the head. Now we'll draw the chest. The chest will look similar to a cupcake wrapping. We're going to begin by making an L-like shape that is connected to the hand, and then it will go up on the right hand side and connect to the head. Awesome job! Now on the right hand side, connected to the shape that we just made as well as the head, we're going to draw the second arm by using a simple C-like shape, just how we did on the left hand side. Now all we have left to do is to draw the legs as well as four sprinkles, two on the left side of the face and two on the right. When we draw the legs, they'll both be the same size and width. One will be a little bit longer, the longer one will be on the right hand side. Now lastly, we'll draw two sprinkles on each side of the face. This is how to draw Cakey Cat from Gabby's Dollhouse. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. If this video helped you out today, be sure to give it a big like so other YouTube artists can see it as well. If you want to stay up to date on all the latest drawings that we post every single day, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on a single thing. At the end of today's drawing, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing colored in so that you can pause the video and match the colors. Great job today, and I can't wait to see you next time. Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Great drawing of Cakey Cat today. If you want to learn how to draw more Gabby's Dollhouse characters, then click on the playlist down to the left. If not, click on the video to the right to learn how to draw Mercat.